Yeah, I've been patient, I've been locked in on the go. Let the setup come to me, that's the only way I roll. Never chase, never fold, keep it chill, keep control. Got that process in my veins, let the profits take a stroll. Woke up charts glowing like they know me well. Discipline a crown, yeah, I wear it proud. River keep flowing, I just follow the route. Not the same man daily, yeah, I'm leveling out. Treat the morning like a moment I've been built for. Wrist tight, mind calm, that's a real score. Everybody wanna flex what they think they know, but the river doesn't brag, man, it just shapes stone. If it's not my setup, I don't touch it, let it pass. Every force trade ends with me looking back. So I breathe in, breathe out, let the market do its dance. And the patience that I practice turn the future to my hands. Ain't the same as last week, whole new mind. Water in the groove, yeah, I flow in my time. Let the fear fade out, let the greed decline. I'm aligned with the grind, stay refined in the climb. Yeah, I've been patient, I've been go. Let the setup come to me, that's the only way I roll. Never chase, never fold, keep it chill, keep control. Got that process in my veins, let the profits take a stroll. Woke up charts glowing like they know me well. Discipline a crown, yeah, I wear it proud. River keep flowing, I just follow the route. Not the same man daily, yeah, I'm leveling out. Show up, slow up, let the noise blow up. I don't fold up. Wave ride, same tide, every sunrise. Give me new eyes. Stone grind, long time, water carved lines. If you show up, no rush, no clutch, patience be the code that I go by. I don't chase wins, I chase discipline. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, I just settle in. Every loss is just a lesson that'll tighten my spin. Every candle on the chart make me better again. Yeah, I've been
Yo, what's up? Good morning. Welcome to the stream. Happy Friday. Oh, man. I gotta be honest, I'm glad it's Friday. I am. Alright. How's everyone doing? What up, Straight Heart, Soviet T-Rex, Ronald, Kevin, Tom, how you doing? Jove, Ken, Riley, Goggins, Kay, Miguel, how you guys doing? What up, what up? Oh, man. Oh, excuse me. Well, new all-time highs, very close to the 29K level. We turned around at 28,976. Oh, man. All right, what's up, Eddie? How you doing? Verona, what's going on? Another choppy day? I hope not. I hope we get a little bit of good movement here. All right. Got a few demand zones. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too significant, really, honestly. Potential double top here. Boop, boop. Potential rotation lower. Or who knows, we just keep grinding higher. I don't really know what to expect other than up. That's what I expect. So if we deviate from that, I'll be surprised. I also expect some divergence between ES and NQ. Oh, excuse me. Trader John, how you doing? Peace and love. What's up? Yeah, let's end this week green. I got these. I got 4 take profit trader accounts here, 425k accounts. I'm up 200 something on most of them. On one of them, I'm up $600. I had some trade copier errors, problems with the trade copier yesterday. So that's that. Drew, what's up? How you doing? Jove, you're expecting some BS as usual? Yeah. All right, we got about 30 seconds here for the market to open. All right, it's on the week strong.
This is all wet and slick and it's ready to go.
VWAP's not too far away. Eddie, you're short looking for market open price of 28,582? I thought you were looking for 19K. I'm confused. Deep Dom is coming out today and you're pumped? How's it going to be different than like a Super Dom? You know, like what's it going to, do you know what it's going to look like or what's the features of it? Jay Legendary, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? $900 level. PDH up in the 940s. Overnight highs 976, and then 29K. What's up, Loreni? How you doing, man? There's PDH. Justine, what's up? Good morning. Any thoughts on pivot points? I mean, I have them up. Sometimes they're helpful, but I don't rely on them very much. Like if they fell off my chart, I probably wouldn't notice for like a week. What's up, Lee? How you doing? So tapping PDH there. A couple rejections. I'm doing all right.
I'm feeling pretty good. Pretty good.
All right, so coming into overnight highs here. ES is really not getting off the deck. It's that divergence we talked about. What's up, Pranav? How you doing? There's overnight highs. Gotcha, Wolf. Gotcha. Well, sounds cool. ES at 7,400. Trying to get going. What up, Jake? Happy fucking Friday. Full port hero short? Nah. You go for that. You let me know how it goes. What's up, Trading Cabin? How you doing? Who's doing anything fun this weekend? Anyone got any plans? I don't think I have any plans. I don't think. You're going to Malaysia? Wow. What are you going to do there? Going to a furniture liquidation sale in Lincolnwood? Oh, you're in Chicago too? Nice. Joey, you're going to the PGA Championship next weekend. Cool. Ken's going to be waiting all weekend for the 7400 break. Oh, wait, no. He's just waiting today. Just a week-long trip with your family. Nice. Enjoy. That's cool, Bruno. We're not too far apart. And I feel like these opens have just been really kind of boring. It's like not a lot. It's all that divergence happening, so it's like not a lot for me to do. Just watching. So there's a pull back to the EMA, PDH. He has got to move through the opening low. He'll be 300 feet in the air doing more tower work. Are those like, what kind of towers are those? So, Maul, last day of vacation. Did you travel somewhere, or are you just taking a break from the markets? I'm tempted to try this long here. Let's go for 29K. Self-supporting towers with radios that shoot wireless internet. That sounds crazy. Not for the faint of heart, man. Oh, this is a great entry. Very fast, 30 points since my entry. Skiing, camping, how nice. You can still ski in Oregon? It's not too warm. I thought you lived in Oregon. Boom, boom. That's all. That was actually a really slick trade there. The exit right now is perfect. When I tick past my take profit, I would still expect 29K to break this morning, but either way, that's a perfect trade. I was just on 5 micros too, so you can imagine a mini, you know, it's $660 on a mini. That's great. So Take Profit Trader, they have like 5-day evals. In some ways, it's kind of nice. I mean, I don't like long eval, generally speaking, but it does take the pressure off of, you know, trying to pass quickly. You know, it's like, such an, I don't know, like you don't I don't feel like the need to force things when there's 5 days, you know, to get it done. That's a lot of TPT accounts, by the way. I thought their limit was 5. I just took on 4. I have 4 I have 2 accounts that are like, they're pretty much, they're old accounts I didn't know were still active, and they're like probably $12 away from being blown. So I have those, but so yeah, I'll show you. So these 2 are just old ones, and I didn't realize they were still active, unfortunately. So that's what those. I can probably just put a trade on. Oh, there's the break of 29K, by the way. That's a very nice break. I could probably just put those on real quick and get them out of the way. I don't think there's much. I don't want a long there. Yeah, there's like $10 on them, so just get them out of my dashboard and get rid of them. Yeah, it's just instantly close. I hate when you have accounts that like are technically still active even though they're essentially dead. That's what those were. So but yeah, the trade, that one trade is only on the 4 accounts there. That was a ripper. I mean, that candle's crazy. Usually, maybe it's because 29K is such a key level, but you know, usually I see us move to 30s or something. You know, when we turn around right before that key level, and but you're pretty sure we got the juice. You know, I think 30s is maybe like the optimistic pump 2 level. But we move straight up to the 50s, 50 exactly. Very nice. Makes my trade in hindsight look so pitiful. But nah, it was good. I don't need to on 25K accounts, I don't need to make a ton of money. I mean, that's plenty. In fact, I'm gonna shut down Take Profit Trader for the day and pull up my Tradeify account, I think. Because that's, what's my profit goal on these things? Like 1,500 or something? Yeah, $1,500 profit target. So I'm on day 2. One account's at $940 profit. The other's at $540, and then $600. So I'm pretty much 2/3 of the way there on 1, 1/3 of the way there on 3. So, wow, pretty good. Oh, I think I'll shut this down and open up Tradeify. Nice job, Tom. Okay, Tubi, thank you. So it took a long time for MFFU to set you up, Tom, but they finally did it. You take back some of what you said. Yeah, still seems like it took too long. So watch here as ES goes for PDH and overnight highs, and then let's see if they can sweep that, and then maybe it'll be a little bit of a pullback or something like that. But I would like to see that sweep first. Your advice is spell your name correctly. Yeah. So G-Man, how you doing? So I would like to see the sweep on ES first, but then I think there could be a short on the table, which obviously market's very strong. So what's up, Botan? How you doing? All right, so this Tradeify account, what is it? What's the deal with this one? I traded the first day on it yesterday, 776 yesterday. It's a 3-day pass on Tradeify, so 40% consistency. So no rush again here. I'll just see if there's any opportunity, and I'll try to make some money. Max I want to make is 1,200, but don't need to make 1,200. All right, here we go. Here we go. Should get the push. G-Man, you're trying to take out your first 5x account payout. Nice. I hope you get it. I didn't. I've been chasing that high ever since. Man, ES is being real slow here. We ticked through PDH there. Did not get to overnight highs yet on ES. What's the max amount of accounts you can have on my phone and features? Yeah, it's 5. 5 at most firms. I think they allow you to have fewer of... I think one of the accounts is limited to 3, if I remember correctly. Three on the Flex account. Oh, interesting. So 30-minute candle's about to close out. We have a little bit of demand right before that candle. Retest zone. Should be overnight highs here and the 50% retracement of the 30-minute. We can get the move down there. That'd be sweet. You hate those buffers on select? I choose a flex one though. Oh, excuse me. Flex plans don't have buffer, right? I mean, that's why I always trade them. We do have University of Michigan sentiment coming out in a minute and a half now. Keep an eye on that. That might give us the pop we are looking for to overnight highs. Trader Johnny picked up some Apex accounts for the first time. Good luck with those. Juan, buenos dias. How you doing? Why you choose flex and not daily? Because the buffer, yeah. Daily loss limit on a funded kind of depends on where I'm at, like the size. I think 300 is pretty good, $300. Am I in Carmine's course? Yeah. I've been in Carmine's group for years. You guys like 90s music? I actually love 90s music. Spoon, I don't know that well. I mean, I know some of their bigger songs. Like, I'm a big Third Eye Blind fan. They're one of my favorite bands. I love E6. I mean, old Blink-182. That's 90s. All right, well, we're pumping before University of Michigan sentiment, so we should sweep overnight highs here. On ES, we're right there. There it is. There's the pop. 446 lots on ES hitting the ask. Wow, that is a lot. Third Eye Blind played Music Fest in your hometown last year. They were awesome. Nice. They are a fun show for sure. All right, so that's the sweep. I am looking for potential retracement, but there's 1,000 lots hitting the ask there on ES. We might just be too freaking strong now. Let's see what happens here. Wow, we already got to the 29,100 level? I didn't even realize that. It was just such a nonchalant move through 29K and on up another 100 points. After 5 years of trading, you're finally passing combines and making money. You've passed 4 accounts so far this year and taken money out of 3. Congrats, man. That's awesome. It's nice to see some fruits of all the labor, isn't it? Trading ain't easy. Someone talked me out of a short here. It's too strong, but I don't freaking feel so tempted. Someone say stop doing that. Yeah, if we get that just chop around after this, that's no fun, dude. Nice, Loreni. What a great trade. Sounds like. $44, what's up? Good morning. How you doing? Got your bag, Wolf. Nice. Glad to hear it. There's no way we go higher. Fuel for the next rip. Yeah, so true. We'll say keep an eye on VIX as always, and you know, new highs on ES, not new lows on VIX. They found a little bit of support here in the 18s. Up 537 on all Apex. Nice, Tom. Yeah, close out. Lock in a good Friday, I think. That sounds like the best move. VIX spiking up here. What's up, Hot Lemons? How you doing? $85 win rate and 1-to-1 RR. Is that good? Yeah, that's good. I mean, if you're backtesting it, you should see all the stats. That would be helpful to determine if that's good. But yeah, if you have even a 60% win rate with 1-to-1, you're making money. All right. How's it going so far? Pretty good. Made, how much did I make on the take profit trader accounts? 300 something on 4 accounts there. Now Tradeify, no trades yet. At the 100 level, EMA, pullback. In general, Wouldn't be a bad spot to try to scalp long here. Also, just think could get a little bit of a greater pullback. Yeah, sometimes even Carmine will have like a 30-something% win rate and be up pretty big. So under the 100 level, decent close here. I think we could get that, maybe pull back to 29K. It's a pretty good close. So far, ES retesting previous high PDH here. Tom, you're gonna get faded and next rated this weekend. Wow, okay. We have a good time. Stay out of trouble though. VIX really spiking up now. Look at that candle here on VIX. Pretty interesting. I'm interested in shorting. Wrong account. I can get a better entry. Gabagool needs some scritches.
Gabagool, over here.
Well, if you like to sit in front of the chart to learn discipline, not to trade. I love the suffering of watching it go move. Oh man, you masochist. I think that's great actually. I think I was talking to Parsha about this a couple weeks ago. I was saying, he's saying he shuts down all his charts, and this was like pretty early into the session. I thought I was like, well, you have to be able to have it open and also not trade. And sometimes I struggle with that too, because you see something like, oh, that's it's a good move, or that's a clean setup, I should take it. But just to be able to sit there and watch and not do anything is a skill for sure that you gotta master. So yes, up to the highs again. I'm glad my short was on the wrong account, so I didn't take it. Anytime that happens, I said this the other day as well. Anytime I try to take a trade and like something like a misclick, whatever, I'm like, let me use this opportunity to take a step back here. Make sure I really want this trade. Have you considered coconut oil or aloe vera for his itchy skin? Aloe vera, we looked it up yesterday. It's like kind of toxic for dogs. And coconut oil, I think, would just get everywhere. But we put other stuff on him. He's just been so miserable lately that I feel bad. Damn, what do you say to people who say day trading is gambling? I've had someone tell me this and it ticked me off. I don't care what they think. It's a skill that can be learned, and if you don't think that, then don't do it. I don't give a fuck. Some people are professional gamblers anyways, you know, like, you're telling me, you could say poker's gambling, okay, whatever. There's still professional poker players who have an edge, so I don't really care. Whenever people say that, I'm just like, okay, then don't do it. I don't care. But obviously, it's a skill that can be learned, so. All right, I'm trying the short now. This one might come get me, actually. ES is still looking like it's got a little juice. 5 minutes still, it's not really bearish enough yet. I might bail on this one here. All right, I'll take this one off. What's up, Jasper? How you doing? Peace and love. You want VWAP? Yeah, don't hold your breath. Yeah, I mean, Photon, you could buy and hold on anything. ES or NQ would have been awesome. All April. Nice, Jasper. 41.25 payout from Lucid Secured. Sick, dude. Love to see it. All right. Should I just get long? Should I just close my eyes and long this shit? What do you guys think about this? I was looking at this last night. You know the prop from Phidias? Like PHI? I think the name's stupid, so that's part of my issue with it. What do you guys think about this plan? Let me pull it up. I have no affiliation with them. That's not it. This one. Overnight and weekend hold. I don't know, you know, the position sizing on that. And at first, the cut is 75%, 25%, which is not what we're used to. But then, you know, as you get more payouts, that increases. But what do you guys think? Overnight hold is very interesting to me. But still, I think there's a consistency rule on it. So, but I don't know. We've just been that kind of environment where like gap ups are like pretty interesting. I see profit target on 50K is 4,000 instead of the usual 3,000. But holding overnight to me is very interesting. 30% consistency rule. Okay, so that's kind of tight. 30% consistency rule is not my favorite. But there's so many times when you kind of just want to be long. Well, I should have just gotten long, like I said. There are certain times where you just want to hold long because why the F not? We've just been gapping up and stuff, so I don't know. It's just one plan you can hold overnight. Yeah, it's a premium plan at Phidias. This is the premium plan. The other ones don't have the overnight hold. I don't know. Seems a little interesting. Hang on a second. I'm back. If you've ever held a futures position over the weekend, you know it's a good way to have a heart problem. Yeah. Maybe not the weekend, but just overnight. Should have gotten that long. I was thinking about the long over here in like what, in the teens, maybe 20s, something like that. Kind of just wanted to just grab it anyways, but it seems so extended. That's just been the story of the market lately. Look at VIX too. Look at this divergence. VIX really spiking up here. That's interesting. Weird, yeah. I mean, I get I understand when you hold overnight stuff, you do care, about like you have that stress of like, okay, I got exposure, so I do actually care what happens overnight. Whereas I wake up in the morning, I look at TradingView on my phone. I don't really care what the market's done. It doesn't really matter to me. Am I still keeping an eye on some stock options plays? Not really, no. I'm open to it, but I just haven't really. That's not been my focus, This is why you don't just want to chase. Wow, nice long. Do I use any indicators? I use VWAP. I have volume profile on here. I don't use MACD or RSI. When's this market gonna stop doing this? I mean, is this not getting old for? Are you guys like kind of tired of this? Let's look at a weekly view in NASDAQ. Is this not fucking stupid as hell? Look at this shit. Dare I even fucking measure this move? 5 weeks? 60, that can't even be real. 6,200 points? Fucking kidding me? That's so stupid. I don't look at the retracements on these. It's not even, we're not retracing that much into these candles either. It's just very consistently moving higher and higher and higher. That's so crazy to me. It's so fucking overextended. I just can't even Yeah. Through 100 level now. Frustrating day for you. Ended up 650. Well, that's good at least. You had upside to 1500, but closed winning positions early. Time to quit for the day. I would quit for the day, yeah. It's a good profit for going into a Friday. Yeah, lock it in. Okay, I'm looking for a lower high to be put in here. That would you put in on the 15-minute? You can tell we're kind of losing a little bit of steam here. What's up, Guillermo? How you doing? All right. Let's see if I can get this short going here. Just out of curiosity, why don't you use RSI? RSI to me doesn't really matter. Like, what would happen if I put up RSI on here? It's going to show that we're overbought, right? So what? When we're trending, we can stay overbought for a long time. I think where RSI might be useful... See, I don't even know how to use this one. Where RSI might be useful to me would be on like a larger time frame, like a daily or something. But yeah, I don't find much edge in it personally. Well, I think I would have gotten stopped out. I raised my stop a few points. I've just been doing that because I've been top ticked so many freaking times on my stop. I just raised it a few extra points from where I think it should be. Looks like I might be a little early on this one though. Looking at ES though. ES is looking to make break here. PDH. Move lower. Wow. Man, I'm into the green now. Wow. All right. Literally, I don't know if you guys noticed me raise my stop a couple points, but that literally kept me in this trade. Hey, Froggy, how you feeling, man? Doing all right? Yeah, Rose, I completely resonate with that. I'm like, oh, let me get this extra room, and then you just like take an extra large loss. You're like, well, I don't know. Shit. All right. I'll take a little profit here. All right, back in the green here. Can you guys see that? Yeah, 55. Dang, man. I'm sorry to hear that, Froggy. You in the market not on speaking terms right now. Oh, damn, dude. Kidney stone sounds like freaking terrible, man. Hopefully it's not that. But I mean, hopefully there's... It's kind of... You want there to be a reason for the pain, you know? But kidney stone sounds highly unpleasant. Well, if it's your lower back on a side, that's like where your kidneys are, right? So... I think that's how we got there. What's up, Parsha? How you doing? Glad I took profit on that one. Shorts, you know, shorts have been short-lived. Yeah, a long again, Jasper. I could get down with that, honestly. This just why not, you know? Like you said, just buy pullbacks is not a bad idea, generally speaking. Giving your trades more room, good. Glad to hear it, Harshaw. I feel like that'll up your win rate. Yeah, I think a low win rate is a little demoralizing, yeah. You go into a trade, you're like, well, you know, 2 out of 3 times I'm wrong, or whatever it is. Five-minute crew, look at the bounce. Yeah, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? I'll try along here. Stop under 100. I still want to see a short side move, but I'll give this a shot. Perhaps the true payouts were the friends we made along the way. No good. No good. All those fucking wicks, though, man. I think we're fucking going down, honestly. That is what I think. We'll see. We'll see if it happens. VIX is ticking lower now. I mean, not really. You can't look at it too micro. You gotta look at it a little bit on a greater perspective. We've been grinding up as ES has made new highs, so generally that's still bearish divergence there. Or sorry, I mean, would that be bearish divergence? It's just divergence, right? And it's indicating, you know, a little bit more pressure on the market. Whereas if it was moving lower, it'd be fine. Stop on that one was tight because my entry wasn't that good, honestly. If I got a better entry, then it's a different story. It just wasn't that good. You think ES is looking really bearish on the 5? I don't know. Really bearish? We just engulfed that red candle. I don't know. I don't know what to think. I do want to see a downside move, but maybe we just get a little spike up that rejects. Explain how both ES and VIX are high on the day. People are hedging. I mean, if you think of it as like the fear index, volatility, whatever. I mean, I pulled up the weekly chart a few minutes ago. The weekly chart's so stupid on NASDAQ here. Can't be super surprised if people are like, well, all right. Hedging's not illegal. What are you talking about? What do you think a hedge fund is? Bro, it's not illegal. It just depends on how you do it. I have tried Apex with their new rules, yeah. I didn't make it very far still. Womp womp. Do I just fucking long this chat? I'm sad I got stopped out of the other long. That was a little too tight. I didn't prioritize entry there, so didn't really have a good place to stop. I just put it under 100 level. That wasn't good enough. Needed an extra 3 points. Do they pay out? I haven't requested a payout from them, but as far as I know, they have been. I think they've made it, less gray area, easier to know if you're following the rules, so you can get paid out. I wonder what firms don't allow DCA from one of these websites. Sorry, I did miss that. For all your prop firm needs, go to propfirmgorilla.com. It's my site I built to make it easy to find exactly what you're looking for with futures prop firms. Funding types, drawdown types, payout methods, daily payouts, one-day passes, based off your country, etc., etc. And even from there, you can actually compare the actual plan versus plan in a nice comparison table that makes it pretty easy to see which is the best for you. Gabagoo, what's up, buddy? Good boy. Check in with VIX. At the highs here. Funded next legacy is the best, you think? If you want to keep a load of cash, you want no consistency in funded, yeah. I want all those things. Jasper, you're going to start a 5K personal next week. Try to flip it. Nice. I like it. I just did it with a 1K. for a video. There will be a video. Easy, Gabagool. Easy. Don't scratch your face too hard, buddy. Hey. I know, Parshov. I appreciate it, though. I just haven't had time to do some of those updates yet, but it'll happen. One last pop, maybe? I don't know. Hi, Chester. What's up, buddy? That's the difference between you and me, Parshov. I am eager to short it. For better or for worse. Please tell me you're green on another account. Yeah, I'm green on. I made 300 something bucks on 4 Take Profit Trader evals. So no worries, dude. Need 230 for a payout. How hard could it be? I mean, dude, we've all been there. The top step ones, they got hit yesterday. It's just been a slow bleed out. I have about $250 drawdown left on those. I was just in a long on top step and I just got stopped at a break even. Of course. All right. I'm looking for us to double top or somehow put in any sign of a potential move lower, but that could just be wishful thinking. NASDAQ double top, ES lower high. Reversal potential here. Well, there goes. I'll put risk on for it. I mean, I'm not a bear. I just, you know, there's opportunities on both sides of the market on a regular basis. Soon enough, the broke bear. Oh, don't say that. NASDAQ is so fucking stubborn. ES will probably just get a pop at the bottom of this little range here. Damn, that fill was so bad, dude. Was that not the shitty ass fill or what? Was that not like 5 points of slippage? Pretty sure that was like 5 points of slippage. I had to... Somebody rewind that. Do you have the same price on your top step and Lucid? I'm not trading Lucid right now, but NQ will always be the same price. Assuming you're on the same expiration. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that slipped like 5 points. Not happy about that one. I wish they were just like a little bit more generous with their fucking sim fills. Yeah, I guess maybe it was too obvious. I don't know. Got ES starting to tease, move lower here. NASDAQ is like, I don't think so. You do what you want, ES. I'm going to do what I want, which is uppies. More and more uppies. Come on, NASDAQ. It's so boring. Grace is on a trip to Texas or something, so he's not even in today. So I would have expected better price action from the jump. Because Grizz ain't here. Did I just long this? I mean, not gonna long that. Just call it a day, I think. Market PA's ass, yeah. Or should I just full port long? Ah. Whew. Lose the payout already hit my account. Hell yeah, dude. Dude, the payouts are so fast, it's sick. Full port short in 6 minutes and 21 seconds. Hell yeah, let's go. Second fastest payout in the game. Eddie, come on. You don't think Top Step's faster than Lucid now, do you? There's a pop there. Didn't Lucid have a free eval first payout? No, I don't think that was them. Damn, went a long full port. Yeah. Not now. How's this week of trading? Well, kind of lackluster. There's a spike up there. The Hungarian? Yeah, it's Botond. He's here. Geo game? Yeah, maybe in a few minutes here. Will you stop trading after you launch Catalyst? Nah. Never. I wouldn't take a job that made me stop trading. Alright. Well, I'm going to try one more short here. Love the Catalyst site. Thanks, Stragar. Glad you like it. We're getting close to launching. Should be very fun. Here we go. What did I say? Full port short. Credit where credit is due, Botan. Yeah. You fucking nailed that timing. Now let's see if I can get paid. To the minute, yeah. For facts. I mean, honestly, did you grab the short? What's Catalyst? That's where I work. I got a job at Catalyst, which is a kind of like a prop firm for prediction markets. Come on. Story of the shorts. Starting a move that looks good and you're like feeling good about it, then buy up. Story as old as time. Nick, you and Botan should be able to DM in Discord if you want. Prediction markets, Sana. You know, like Polymarket, Kalshi. I'm gonna add to this short. Don't pull back on me though. Damn. Just playing with me. Move. Move, bitch. What's NASDAQ's problem, yo? I'm not copy trading, just one account. Don't just give me $200 for all that pain and suffering. Come on. Oh, man. I shouldn't have added to it. I already added once, though, Jasper, so I don't really want to add again. ES was the better short. Yeah. Yeah, you're right, Jasper. You're right. I don't know. I didn't really. I wouldn't call it top ticked. I mean, I did get top ticked on the trail, but like if you actually look at it, Not the best. It's definitely, it's my own doing, you know, I can't really get too upset about that. Obviously, no one likes getting top ticked on a trail even, but that's, at least it's a little bit of green, you know. Silver lining is I am short on Top Step with 5 micros. So I'm stopped at break even there, which is like 168. Nice job, Ken. Perfect short. Yeah, it could have been more perfect. Yeah, it was pretty good. Wait, where's my first entry? My first entry was there, 69. Then I did the ad at 58. And then I got out pretty much where he added, which, yeah. See you later, Ken. Have a good one. Now we're picking up some steam here. I just want to short 3 minis here. Let's get this over with. Do we have a zero print here at 7405, or is that just a low volume node? Oh, I got you, Parshav. Yeah, you're right. All right. Took the Top Step trade off. Break even on the day. I mean, shit. Come on, man. This is crazy. Everything is just a pullback for a long. That's all it is. Wow, that's a strong little move there on NASDAQ. Nice 40-something plus points. Well, full port long. Look at ES, the fucking laggard. Wake up. We did have 110 lots on ES there at the lows. Get trapped. All right, chat. I think I might call it a day here. Gonna head into the weekend. Enjoy some time off. Come back Monday, ready for some divergence and chop. Your friend got stopped out of his long at 29,130. Say it ain't so, dude. Sucks. Thank you all for tuning in this week, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll see you guys back here. Could be a good long opportunity. See you guys back here on Monday. But have a good one. Peace out.